This is a Too Fun family review of the Florence cooking class on Viator for gelato and pizza. Yum.
You are in a cooking class.
We're in pizza cooking class. They taught us how to make pizza and gelato in a class. We made gelato and pizza. They gave adults wine and they gave kids soda. After all the museums, castles, and churches, making pizza was a fun change of pace.
What did we learn how to cook?
Pizza. After learning how to do it, they gave us materials and let us make our own custom pizza. To make the pizza, you had to use flour, water, and oil and mix them up together. First with a fork in the middle of the flour, then with your hands. It's actually a lot of work.
We made dough.
We decorated pizza. They gave us a lot of toppings to choose from. I decorated mine with an E, because my name starts with an E. But mine, I loved it. If you just followed the instructions, it would taste really amazing, like mine. The pizza was also very tasty, but I could have used more cheese stuff that's white. Mozzarella. I could have used more mozzarella.
It's really good.
To make the gelato, they taught us as a class how to make it, and we made it as a class. It would have been more fun if I could make it myself. But I did get samples while I was cooking, and I did get a good share of it whenever it was done. We made chocolate gelato, and it was very chocolatey, but very, very delicious. And even more delicious because we made it ourselves.
Is it good?
Brown, darker stuff.
I would recommend this cooking class for kids because it's like kind of kid-friendly-ish. The place was clean and the staff were helpful. To be honest, I completely forgot how to make the pizza and the gelato too. So don't expect to become an expert. It was a fun experience because it's very interactive, very sensory, and delicious. And you don't have to like spin it around on your finger. At the end, they gave us cooking certificates. I still have mine.
What do you think?
It was super fun.
It was fun getting to make something with my hands. I would rate the cooking class 3 out of 5 stars. Yeah, I would rate it 4.5 stars because it was a little hard getting the pizza dough to flip. Also because we didn't get to toss the pizza really. Bye!
Ellis is being sneaky, and Ellis is now just narfing on some basil. Is it good? Is it like a little salad?